Children, we are learning about the earliest people. From gathering food to growing food. First they gathered the food from forests and later they developed to grow that food. How they improved from gathering to growing food, let us see. Thousands of years human beings lived by hunting and gathering only. So many years, thousands of years, human beings lived by hunting and gathering food. Okay, they started growing crops 12,000 years ago. When they started growing crops? 12,000 years ago. Till that time, they depended on forests for their food. Why? Because in 12,000 years, there is a major changes in the climate. There is a major change in the climate in the year 12,000 years. So, the people started, as it increasingly became warm in the climate, that time the temperature becomes warm. So, it led to the great change in natural vegetation. That time that climate is suitable for cultivation, to grow crops. That climate is suitable for cultivation and many forests turned into grasslands. Many forests are turned into grasslands. So, these grasslands are fodder for animals. So many animals came to that grasslands for fodder, to eat that grasses. So, these people, earliest people, started growing crops in that grasslands. They cultivated that land for agriculture and learning to grow crops and tend animals. How they learned to grow crops? Men and women observed the places where edible plants are found. Men, women, children also observed where edible plants are found in that areas. So many forests became grasslands. So these men and women, children observed where edible plants are found and they got some seeds and they started in different places, they sowed the seeds. They sow the seeds in different places of that grasslands to grow some crops. Like in that way, the different people in the different places became farmers. They developed some crops. So many people became farmers in so many areas. They learned to grow paddy, wheat, barley, pulses, meat and some types of vegetables. When they contact each other, that people, when they contact each other, they know how to grow the crops. In that way, all people became farmers and they grew some vegetables, paddy, wheat, barley, pulses, millets, etc. So they learned to grow crops and all people became farmers. So from gathering food to they became the farmers. Now they are growing food. And then they tend some animals also. They raid some animals. How they raid the animals? When they have crops, similarly some animals comes to that crops to eat some leftover food or anything or grass. So people allowed, these farmers allowed that animals to their camps, to their farms. Then when the animals came to that farms, they leave that animals to eat the remaining food, leftover food and grasses in their farms. In that way, they raid that some types of animals, sheep, goats, buffaloes, oxen, that animals. Later they used oxen and donkeys for carrying loads and ploughing fields. They reared so many animals in that way. Later they used the oxen and donkeys for carrying loads and ploughing the fields. Okay, in this way, earliest people, first they gather the food and they develop into growing the food. How they grow the food? When the climate changes, 12,000 years ago, climate changed. As it increased warm in the temperature, great changes occurs in the nature. Forests became grasslands. So that grasslands are suitable for growing crops. So men and women, children all are observed where edible plants are found in that areas. They moved from one place to another. They observed where they found that edible plants. They grow that plants in that areas in different places. Different people grown some crops and they are all farmers. By growing these different crops, all became farmers. Which type of crops they grown? Paddy, wheat, barley, pulses, millets, vegetables. These crops they grown. When they contact one each other, they know how to grow crops. In that way, they grown so many crops. They learned like in this way to grow food. So they tend animals also. They reared some animals also. When they grow this food items, crops, similarly they allowed animals also to their farms. Some animals, goat, sheep, buffalo, ox, donkeys, horses came to that grasslands to eat some leftover food or grass. So they reared that animals and they used the oxen and donkeys to plough the fields and to carry the goods. In this way, the earliest people developed into farmers. Okay, children, in this class we discussed about the earliest people, how they developed into farmers, how they did agriculture, how they learned. Okay, next class we will learn more.